Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have JBL Under Armour Flash X wireless Bluetooth sports earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these earbuds are not working for some reason, like they're not connecting to your phone, or they're not syncing or not pairing with Bluetooth, or the left earbud's not working or the right earbud's not working, so you're only getting sound out of one ear. A factory reset will fix a lot of these issues. If it doesn't fix it and you want to get a new set of earbuds, you can go ahead and check out the link in the description for a good set of earbuds at a good price. But the second reason you might want to do this is for whatever reason where you just want to delete everything off of here, clear the pairing history so that you can set these up basically like you're setting up a new set of earbuds. This will do the trick for you. All you need to do is put the earbuds in the case, leaving it open, having them, but they're charging. And once they're in there and charging, all you need to do is press and hold the right earbud, the button on the back of the right earbud, for 5 seconds. After those 5 seconds, the light should blink. It will reset to its factory default settings, and you can set them up like a brand new set of earbuds.